So let me show you how to use the object eraser on your Galaxy A27. So you simply go to your gallery and open up a photo that you want to use the object eraser on, and then tap on the AI icon. It's going to analyze the image, and now you can select object eraser. Once it's done analyzing the photo, you can now go ahead and draw a circle over the object you want to erase, and it's going to use AI to kind of just select it properly, and then now you can tap on erase. Once it's done, it's going to erase, and it's going to refill that section with AI. Okay, so if you're happy with the photo, just tap on save. You can choose to save and overwrite the original, or to save a copy, so you can have two copies of that image, one with the object erased and the original photo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.